This is CNN Breaking News.
I'm Azuz Carl, and Fridays are Who wrote this script? Let's just cut to our reporter, Barack Obama.
This has been allegedly reported that the vacuum to even Don J. Trump is in lot of those wearing sound pod for a while. He's saying his fame was, and I've had a nightmare speech.
That's why you should buy SoundPods today. They're only $9.9999. And if you purchase a SoundCourt membership, you can get $50 off for one purchase. So what are you waiting for? Buy SoundPods now.
I'm QB the Cube and I approve this message.